there, Jennifer with Sopchak Natural Health and Wellness. We'd love for you to join us March 1st from 6 to 8 p.m. at our open house. As an incentive, we'd like to offer you a discounted heart sound recorder. For those of you that don't know what an HSR or heart sound recorder is, it's an FDA-approved device that monitors your cardiac stress through the rate, rhythm, and tone of your heart. We're also able to identify nervous system imbalances, B vitamin deficiencies, mineral, digestive, and adrenal status. So this is an important test to look at the nutritional status not only of your heart, but also your whole body, because your heart eats first, meaning the body will prioritize nutrients for your heart first, because of course it's so important to our survival. So are you stressed constantly? Are you fatigued? Do you want to improve athletic performance? Come and join us March 1st, and we'll give you a discounted heart sound recorder measurement. Take care, and we'll see you then.